Ready when you are.
Ready to go. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Hello and welcome to this house in North Tyneside. Today we are working with a company called DH Construction, my initials weirdly. We are from Henderson Group. We are here today to look at this small room owned by an old gentleman in his 80s. He is currently experiencing some... He is currently experiencing some serious water leaks through his ceiling and through the side wall. Today we're going to have a look and see what we can do to rectify the problem. If you'd follow me.
Oh no!
Through this door, as you can see when you first look up, there's a bit of a hole in the ceiling. Obviously we've got the insulation that came out of there, a bit of wallpaper, inside, definitely not the best. Glasses. Yeah, I don't like them ones though, I've got some different ones somewhere. I had them hanging up somewhere, where'd I put them?
You keeping your audio going?
Yeah, it's still going. Say don't spray it.
Right.
Ping ping, ready? Today we're at this property in North Tyneside with DH Construction. My initials weirdly. I'm from Henderson Group and today we are going to be looking at this property and looking at some serious water damage and what we can do to rectify the problem. You can cut it there by the way, and that's, yeah. As we walk into this room...
Can I just do something?
Yes. As you can see when we walk into this room, first thing I can smell is damp. Obviously we've got some serious damp on the walls here, and if you look up at the ceiling, there's a big hole in it, and that wallpaper is just coming away from the damp, which also has damp on it around there. This ceiling is very damaged. Obviously, yeah, you can feel that I can just crack that away by moving it. So that's going to need completely replaced. Furthermore, all along this ceiling, you won't be able to tell on the camera, but that is actually a straight line along there. It starts to dip here, which is water, which is obviously completely unsafe, and which is the reason. Yeah, which is the reason why we are wearing hard hats. Because which happened before is this fell on one of my associates without a hard hat on. Obviously, everything's coming away. We're going to have to replace the whole ceiling here, put new studs along. This was recently done not long ago by us because of water damage, which we rectified by putting a new roof on. But obviously, you can tell it obviously didn't work. Obviously, you can see this. Let's not look at the floor because I don't have steels on. Obviously, you can see all along this back bit. I can feel that it's wet and it's coming off on my hands. This wall is obviously covered in mould, and it's starting to bring its way along here. If we came 2 days ago, all of this mould wasn't here. Yeah, because of the water coming through here. It's big. We think, as an inspection on the roof, it's coming from a garage which is next door and bringing its way along here. But also by closer inspection, it will come from this wall because the pointing is completely shot on the other side. The owner of the house has attempted to rectify this problem by putting a concrete wash along the whole of that side of the wall and this side, which has rectified the problem for some time, but slowly began to come away. That again. Right. Follow me this way, you'll see, obviously, this wall, he's painted it and put a concrete wash over the top of it. Then when you get around this corner, you can see it further. Concrete wash over this wall. Then with further inspection, all the block work on the next door is completely shot. And the guttering is also completely gone. Good?
Yeah. Now further inspection, what else?
The water coming through the ceiling, we'll have another look. Right, I'll just talk about this room and stuff, so then you're going to have to reverse walk into there, so watch the lip. Whoa. With a closer inspection in this room, they've been quite lucky. This room is completely safe, watertight. Okay. What's he doing? In this area of the house, they have been extremely lucky to not have any sort of water damage whatsoever, including damp. This could be due to the fact that their guttering on the top of the roof is not broken along that part, but towards the end. This roof is a lot more stable, so it could be hiding things underneath it, so this will be taken off so we can have a further inspection to look along it. This area is now a hard hat zone, so obviously you can see washing machines and all of their different supplies, so they can't get in here until we've done our prior inspection to be in here. At the moment this is the most unsafe zone because of obviously the roof, but we are obviously taking precautionary measures to make sure that that area of the house is safe for the homeowner to live in. But apart from that, there's no electricity in here, and we are using temporary lighting, which you've had to get brought in. But apart from that, that's this house.